Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kate. Today we're going to paint more animals. It's one of my favorite dogs, poodle. Let's get started. We'll start with ink. Just remember that we're not going to need a lot of ink and we will not reuse them. So just take whatever you need for the painting. And I'm going to start with the eyes. When you paint the eyes, you have to make sure that they are black. So I would just keep my brush pretty dry to paint, otherwise the water in your brush mainly may dilute the ink. And then I'm going to paint the nose. I don't really need to paint a lot of details because I'm painting the mini baby poodle. The hair of the poodle is brown, so I only need the orange color to mix with the ink to get the brown shades. You can mix whatever shades of brown that you like by slowly adding the ink into the orange color. You just need to press to create the split ends of your brush to paint the hair. If you cannot do it by pressing it, then just use the other fingers to create split ends, because this is the way that you paint the curly hairs. See, I don't really need to paint the hair one by one. I can just paint and there will be multiple hairs. This is the way that I found Chinese brush very versatile. Poodle is stretching, so that's why it has longer front legs, and I'm going to build a body and a smaller back leg. You can finish the painting like this because this is perfectly okay, but I'm gonna add some more color to the poodles. So I'm gonna let it dry and come back to it. Adding color in this stage is called dyeing in Chinese watercolor. And I'm gonna mix some more brown color, but very, very diluted with more water. So when I add the paint onto the body, I have to make sure that it will not overpower and cover the first layer. Instead of adding white color as the highlight of the hair, I'm leaving some white space to make it look more three-dimensional or more dynamic. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.